Education.
Language. Is German a difficult language to learn?
Learn. She wants to learn to play the piano this summer.
Lesson. We have a maths lesson every Monday morning.
Level. My English level is A2, so I can have simple conversations.
Library. Do you want to do homework together at the library later?
Mark. I got a high mark on my spelling test.
Maths. Mathematics. Maths is my favorite subject because I like solving problems.
Note. I wrote a note to help me remember my homework.
Physics. We learned about light and sound in physics class.
Practice. Noun. You need more practice to improve your writing.
Practice. Verb. I practice speaking English with my friends every day.
Project. We are doing a project about space in science class.
Pupil. Each pupil must bring a notebook to school.
Read. I like to read storybooks before going to bed.
Remember. Please remember to bring your homework tomorrow.
Rubber. Use a rubber to erase the mistake on your paper.
Ruler. Why don't you use a ruler to draw a straight line?
Science. We did a fun experiment in science today.
Student. Every student must wear a uniform at this school.
Studies. Her studies are very important to her.
Subject. How many subjects are we studying this term?
Term. The new school term starts in September.
Test. We will have a reading test tomorrow morning.
University. She hopes to go to university when she finishes school.